Developers have become dependent on AI coding tools. Worse, companies are now dependent on it, almost forcing developers to use it and in some cases even pay for it. A startup founder, when asked about using AI for coding, said that he encourages developers in his companies to use AI as much as possible. As a matter of fact, he himself uses AI for coding. He said, and I quote, I started learning more when I started using AI to code, and I would go as far as to say if you are not using AI as a coding assistant in this age, it will be hard for you to catch up with people who are. So, is that really right? Do we really learn more if we use ChatGPT and Cursor for coding? Another founder, when asked the same question about using AI for coding, said that we have few interns who are trying to write all the code from scratch, which was actually holding back others who are using AI to code. So the question is, does AI truly improve our programming skills? Or do companies have simply decided that not using it means you are slowing down everybody else? Should we trust the companies that they have really our best interests in their heart when they are asking us to use AI? Many developers said that the shift to AI has killed the joy of problem solving. One developer wrote, my manager said that we can't code better than AI. And see, it's been just 2 months that we have started using AI and our team is shipping code faster. Another developer said that their company tracks how often they use Cursor. He said that we are warned if Cursor requests are low for more than 3 to 4 working days. For the past 2 months, I feel like a bridge who accepts or refines Cursor output and gets it merged to the main branch. Managers are considering AI adoption as proxy for good performance. Even though several developers argue that their productivity has increased several times because of these coding tools, the speed has come at a cost, with the quality of code going down. But the sentiment of asking developers to use AI for coding is echoed by a growing number of companies branding themselves as AI first. Several engineers said that they have been explicitly told to adopt AI first coding in their internal meetings. A backend developer at a fintech company said that we are literally forced to do vibe coding for production grade applications. So my question to you is, if you are using ChatGPT Cursor for coding, then are we really coding or just reviewing the code that AI has written for us? A developer faced the same dilemma and posted on Developers India subreddit. He says that his company has made Cursor mandatory for every engineer. He said, and I quote, they expect us to build features in a single day. Even during meetings, when I say that it is going to take longer just so that I can build it myself and actually learn something, they say that you have Cursor, right? Just use that. I thought I was going to learn something here when I joined this company, but all I do is prompt every day. I don't understand anything that is going on with the project. I feel like my skills are fading and I hate to work here because it feels like I'm just one prompt away from either fixing the bug or ruining the application. For young engineers, the risk is even more personal. The early years that should be spent on learning architecture, debugging, and understanding systems are now being spent on fine tuning prompts. Don't know what the future will hold for us.